Well, all right, guys. So welcome to today's video. Actually, I'm so excited. I found something valuable, something that very, very valuable for you if you have an online business. If you do business online, this video will be very essential for you to watch to the very end. It's going to change the kind of conversions, the kind of results you get in your business. Yes, it's going to help you in a very long way, especially if you've added email marketing. You run email marketing with inside your business. So this video, everything I'm going to reveal inside here is going to help you, in fact, for a very long time. So okay, so down to reveal to you one powerful place, in fact a powerful website, or a simple method that you can use to get traffic, get conversions, or build your email list. You want to build your email list. All right, so that I'm going to reveal to you. In fact, I want to show you exactly how my friend Prosper Noah, I think you should know him. If you do not know him, well, he's one of my very good friend, my fellow affiliate marketer and a product creator. He creates and sells products and even promotes products. So one thing I actually love about him is because he works hard and he actually knows what he does, and then he gets massive results on it. So he actually reached out to me around February this year. Yes, he found one of my products, a very fine product, and then actually has been buying my products. He loves buying my product because he said it's fantastic, it's highly valuable. So he reached out to me that he saw one of my product again, 4-in-1 package course. You can see this course, 4-in-1 package course, that he wanted to actually promotes it. He wants to promote it. So I said, okay, no problem. Since he actually bought one of my products, cash on demand, get cash on demand a year before then, and he made huge profits, and even he bought the product for 5,000, and then in 7 days he made about 120k on that product. That's get cash on demand ebook. Then he came back to me about a week after that. Wow, it's a very great product that he wants to get the resale rights. So he actually purchased the resale rights for I think 50k. Yeah, so I gave him the resale rights. I gave everything, even the sales page, everything was done for him, and then he began to blast everywhere. I think the guy made crazy money on that stuff. He was actually sending 5,000 and he made so many sales. And then just wondering, what traffic method did he use? I made a research, and then I found out it was actually using his blog. Yes, it was in his blog to get traffic. But later on, he came again to me and said he wants to promote my 4-in-1 package, which is this. And then within, I think, 7 days or 14 days, a guy did about, you can see, 74 sales. He did 74 sales, and he actually said it was my product was the best. No, he said, okay, he said best product. That's this year. See this year. He said it was his best product. He has actually promoted. So again, I was asking. In fact, I actually asked him. We talked together. We interacted, and then he later revealed to me that he later revealed to me his traffic methods, how he was doing it, that he was just building. He usually builds his list. Yes, he builds his list. So that's what he usually does. So I don't want to actually go into our conversation, so let me just leave that. So now I want to research how does this guy build his list. So, and then I later found, I think I just found out last night. Yes, last night I found out that this guy was actually using a particular website called Quora. What's the name? Quora. Yes, was using Quora. Permit me if I'm not pronouncing that well, but it's Quora. I should know it. So, and then I thought, wow, this is what this guy is. So I now checked on deeply how this guy Prosper has been doing everything. So okay, I think I have sorry for going back. Okay, this is one of the recent payments I sent to Prosper. When he promoted my products, you can see February 14th, I sent him 21,000, but I actually sent him 200k earlier. Where is it? Let me see. All right, so I sent him 200k. You can see 200k earlier. I think he made about, yes, this is total about 200 plus. I made about 200 plus promoting my products then. So now I remember. Let's move on now. Where I discovered this traffic source now, where he was actually building his list, because that's the goal. If you are into email marketing, you sell product online, you have an online business, you should be growing your email list. And most people spend money to build their email list, which you shouldn't do. You can build your email list for free, and Quora is a very good place. In fact, you can get about 80 million, Quora actually gets about millions of traffic on their site, on that site. So you can bank on that and get huge traffic. And that's what I've made a special video on that, how to, get you copy Prosper's method. I've done a very detailed video on how to do exactly what Prosper is doing to drive traffic on from Quora to build your list, or maybe direct to your own product you're promoting as an affiliate, because that was exactly what Prosper was doing. And I'm showing you everything inside this video, how Prosper, drove traffic from this Quora, even promoted affiliate products from this website, and got about 14k views, 14,000 free views. You can imagine. So you can imagine how his list size will actually be, and he got a lot of people actually recommending what is post on that Quora. So that's what I'm going to show you inside the video. So inside the video, I'm going to show you how Prosper has been driving crazy traffic from Quora, and how he has been building his list on Quora. Yes, building his list for free on Quora. But then I'm going to show you some inside secret again, how you can use Quora to do so many things, and let it work for you on autopilot, because you can be anywhere, but then it will still be working for you, building your list, earning commission and different things. But one thing is, if you want to pick up that video, the video I made on, I reviewed everything how Prosper is doing it. So if you want to get that video, I want you to also pick up this training. Yes, this training is also on Quora. Yes, in fact, it's going to take you from scratch how to use Quora. You get 5 detailed video case studies, how newbies are making about $100 per day using this commission ignition system. You get detailed video modules on how to set up everything, and then 5 high quality traffic accelerators to drive buyers from Facebook, Instagram, Bing ads. Okay, these are just bonuses. Yes, these are bonuses, but inside this commission ignition, you will discover this same method, how to drive traffic, how to get commissions, how to use Quora to your advantage, to get to use it for anything you want. This system allows you to actually drive massive traffic within 25 minutes that you set it up. So it's something I want you to go up and pick up this new offer, how commission ignition. Yes, pick it up. So once you pick it up, I'm going to send you, it's about Quora. Yes, it's about Quora, how you can use Quora, permit my pronunciation, how you can use Quora to generate traffic, read traffic to anywhere for free. Prosper did this and you got 14k views. So imagine you get 14k views and telling people to opt into your list where you teach them how to, or giving them free stuff. They're going to jump on it, and I've made detailed videos, comprehensive videos, how Prosper is doing it, so you can just copy him and get the same result. So there's a link under this video. Click on this video, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you pick up Johnny Rose. It's a very good guy getting results online, and I can assure you he's sharing with you the exact thing he's doing, and even giving you case studies of how people are also using this same method to get results on Quora. So basically it's step-by-step training, and the cost is actually very cheap, very cheap. I think it's just $10. So pick it up. When you pick it up, once you pick it up, I'm going to include, you don't need to even you can contact me later, but I'm going to include the delivery. That's Prosper Now's video on how you can use Quora. No, it's not how now, but how Prosper himself is using Quora to, you can just see exactly what he's doing, and then you can start implementing the same thing for your own business as well, to grow your list or earn affiliate commissions over and over and over. And it doesn't matter what niche you are in, whether you are in health, you are in relationship, you're on foods, travels, all these different niches. It doesn't matter. Quora is a very good place you can get traffic. But please go ahead and pick up this training. Yes, it's going to show you how to start getting free traffic every single day, and you can use that. You can now convert that traffic to anything you want. Maybe you want to take them to your blog, or you want to build your list, or you want to get referrals, downlines, or anything you want, or you're looking to sell your own products. You can use this Quora method to get anything you want. So what I want you to do is make sure you just click on the link under this video. You will get and then it's going to bring you to this page to pick up our commission ignition. It's a very good course, so trust me. So once you pick up commission ignition, you'll be able, you now get access to this video on how I showed you how Prosper Noah has been crushing it silently with Quora. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. It will bring you right here. Just scroll. You can also read it as well. They're going to show you 5 different methods that you can do right now to profit with commission ignition. Instead of telling you that show you and blah blah blah, but just go ahead and pick it up. Yes, you can read it up, and then go ahead, pick it up, and then you will get to my bonus, which is how Prosper has been crushing it with Quora. Yes, you get everything. It's gonna shock you. It's gonna shock you when you see it. When you see it, you're gonna be surprised. So go ahead and pick this stuff, and I hope you pick it before everything disappears. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavilore. If you have any question for me, yes, you can ask under the comment section. You can ask under the comment section. I will get back to you, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. Yes, you can reach out to me on you can reach out to me on Facebook. I will also I'll reply your message right now. But don't forget, before the price of this stuff increase, just go ahead, click on the link under this video to get commission ignition. So once you get it, you will see my bonus video. It's my bonus, how Prosper now has been crushing it with what's the name, with Quora. Yes, with Quora. He has been getting traffic, real traffic. I did it detailed, so you can copy him step by step, everything. In fact, you yourself, you're able to use it and implement it in your business. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. Thank you, and bye.